Jeff's got a segment that we've been kind of all looking forward to, and it's called the Top 7 Most Unreliable Cars.
I wonder how many of them were built by the UAW.
What this is this is a Consumer Report survey, and they've got other cars listed in there as well beyond the top 7. But I took 7, and this is what we have, and these are all based on reliability. The score that Consumer Reports does is 0 to 100. So these cars are all rated 0 to 100. And our first one is a GMC product. GMC is a brand that suffered a terrible 2 out of 10 score through Consumer Reports for the Yukon and scored 11 out of 100. Did I say 10? 2 out of 100, and then 11 out of 100 for the Sierra 1500.
Oh my God.
So this is all based
11 out of 100.
11
that
out
kind of borders on the you suck level.
Yeah, but wait.
Is there an award for that?
I don't know, but wait, there's more. So,
hold my beer.
Yeah, hold my beer. Number 6 on this list is everyone's favorite, Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes scores 2 positions worse this year than last year, with the GLE being its least reliable model in the Consumer Reports survey. So that, and Don, always has the Mercedes-Benz recalls, and there go pages upon pages. So yeah, it doesn't give the actual number, but it does say it dropped from last year's numbers.
Great.
Yeah. And here's another favorite, Volkswagen, number 5. None of the 4 VW models, the Jetta, the Atlas, the ID4, and the Tiguan, scored above 50 points out of 100. But the Tiguan was the worst at just 17 points.
What Leslie just buy?
Oh, no.
I wonder if she's listening.
I was going to skip that one. Sorry, Leslie. It's a pretty car. It's just it's pretty in the shop, too. It's the way they record it out of the 100. The next one is Genesis.
I believe this one.
Hyundai's luxury brand had just 2 models represented in the Consumer Reports study, while the G70 scored 55 points out of 100. Not bad. The GV80 scored just 5 points out of 100.
Well, first of all, the grill overpowers the front end, so
yeah, it is.
That needs to go.
And they're one of the most god-awful things to repair.
Screen door in a submarine. That's what that looks like. And number 3 in our list today would be the Jeep. Though the Jeep Cherokee, Wrangler, and Gladiator are able to get you off the beaten path at no problem, they can also land you in the shop with reliability scores of 30 for the Cherokee, 25 for the Wrangler, and 23 for the Gladiator.
That's why they all come equipped with tow hooks.
Oh, and winches. Got to have winches. Here's one that I didn't expect to be on the list. It is number 2, and it is the Tesla.
I've heard this.
Yes. The Tesla Model 3 EV scored the best of the brand with 59 points, but the Model S, the Y, and the X scored 20 for the S, 18 for the Y, and 5 points for the X. Now,
but what can go wrong with it other than the motor?
There's no oil leaks, that's for sure.
Yeah, but it's all of the, from what I hear, it's the trim fit, the onboard electronics and stuff are not just confusing.
And it could be the battery
faulty.
issues, too.
Yeah.
A lot of battery issues, but it retains its position.
Like a high-tech Yugo.
Yeah, as the list of the second least reliable brand. Ladies and gentlemen, drum roll, please. Number 1 on this list is Lincoln.
Oh.
Ford's luxury brand Lincoln retains the dubious honor, Mike, you know that word, of being the least reliable, with the Aviator being the most egregious offender.
Like being shot in the back of the head.
It's a shame, as Lincoln does make some really good quality products and other lines of it. They are enjoyable vehicles, but in this case, through Consumer Reports, they're number 1 on the least favorable. So, yeah, there you go.
It's good to be known for something, but this isn't something to be known for.
Hey,